Tired of worrying about your credit card getting skimmed every time you shop in-store? Well, Capital One's virtual card is your secret weapon for safe in-store shopping, and today I'm showing you exactly how to use it. First things first, open your Capital One mobile app or access your account online. Navigate to your virtual card section. You might need to select your credit card account first. Now, the magic happens. You're going to add that virtual card to your mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay within the Capital One app. Look for the option to add your card to your preferred mobile wallet. It usually looks like a button or icon associated with Apple Pay or Google Pay. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Your virtual card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV, will be securely transferred to your mobile wallet. Some wallets might require additional verification, so follow those steps carefully. Note that the card number is different from your physical card and is unique to the virtual card. It's referred to as the device account number in Apple Pay. Now you are ready to shop. When you are at the checkout, simply use your phone to pay via Apple Pay or Google Pay, just like you would with your regular debit or credit card. The payment will be processed using your virtual card, keeping your actual credit card number safe and sound. And remember, you can easily manage your virtual card through the Capital One app, view transactions, and even lock or close the card if needed. This adds a layer of security, especially when shopping at places you are unsure of, because your primary credit card information is never exposed. Happy and safe shopping!